Welcome to our latest transformation in McLean, Virginia. A beautifully remodeled kitchen, laundry room, and powder room, designed and completed by Virginia Kitchen and Bath. I'm Burak, Senior Designer, and I'm excited to walk you through the highlights of this elegant project. Mr. and Mrs. Siliazar reached out to us for an estimate on their remodeling project in McLean, Virginia. I visited their home to discuss ideas, take initial measurements, and get a sense of their needs and lifestyle. Shortly after, we met again at our beautiful, spacious showroom in Leesburg. A great setting to explore a wide variety of design options and material selections. Over the course of a few meetings, we finalized the design and selections together. Once everything was decided, I returned to their home with our operations manager to take final measurements and ensure every detail was double-checked before moving into construction. In the kitchen, we used medallion gold line cabinetry, combining painted and stained finishes in premium maple and cherry wood. The cabinets were custom extended to reach the 10-foot ceilings, creating a dramatic and seamless look. We designed a stunning new bar area featuring glass front upper cabinets and integrated under-cabinet appliances, perfect for entertaining. For the countertops, we selected a luxurious marble-look quartz that adds both beauty and durability. We also added a modern butler's pantry, combining function with style, ideal for extra storage and prep space. The entire lighting plan was redesigned, with energy-efficient LED recessed lights, timeless pendant fixtures, and a gorgeous chandelier that brings warmth and elegance to the space. For appliances, we installed a built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator, a 48-inch Wolf range, a smart dishwasher, and various under-counter appliances, combining cutting-edge technology with luxury living. On the floors, we chose a refined 12 by 24 porcelain tile imported from Spain, adding sophistication and easy maintenance. Moving into the laundry room, we removed the old built-in pantries and replaced them with tall custom cabinets with rollout trays, offering exceptional organization. A new LG smart washer and dryer pair was installed beneath a custom quartz folding station, along with a sleek laundry sink and a 36-inch built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator for added convenience. In the powder room, we continued the elevated design with a rich, dark-stained medallion gold line cherrywood vanity, a high-tech smart toilet, and sophisticated wallpaper imported from England, completing the space with style and class. This project reflects a balance of functionality, elegance, and timeless design, tailored to meet the everyday needs of modern living while elevating the aesthetic of every space.